just the beginning for our National Commission of Senior Citizens by having its own building right there. And we want to thank Senator Bongo, our barangay captain, and our city mayor, Mayor Lorelai, and together with the Sanggunian at lahat po ng leaders na nandito, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo at pinayagan ninyo at binigyan kami ng bahay dito sa General Santos City.
And in fact, by next week or the next week after, mag-distribute na po kami o payouts dire sa General Santos City. 250 ka mga senior citizens na nag-edad 80-85, 90-95, makaangkong o 10,000.